Annyeong everyone, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I have a Subaru 2019 WRX STI manual transmission. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, and I'll be showing you some of the exterior, the interior, and my driving impressions. In our channel we say 시작. Before we start with the review, what does WRX mean? WRX means World Rally Experimental. So E then the X, that's where the X goes. But in some part of the world, they call it the World Rally Cross. Okay, and what does STI mean? To simply put, STI is like TRD of Toyota, Nismo of Nissan, something like that. STI stands for Subaru Technica International, in case you guys didn't know that. And this one, yes, this one also has all-wheel drive system. It's an intelligent all-wheel drive system. And it has a boxer engine, 2.5 liter turbocharged boxer engine mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. This unit right here is a press car or media or demo unit. This is like one of one. I don't think you can find this low mileage car ever. This one only has 1,500 kilometers on its mileage, and the price is not given. So when the car is for sale, if I post it or someone posts it, you better get this one ASAP. This car has 4,595 by 1,795 by 1,475 with a wheelbase of 2,650. The tire size is 245/40R18. As you can see, this is the intercooler. It is huge. It will just suck in air like it has never sucked air before. It does 300 PS at 6,000 RPM and 407 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. This particular model has a 6-speed manual transmission, and the brake system is, the calipers are actually in green, but it's a bit dirty now. It says STI, but they are actually Brembo performance brake system. 6-piston calipers with ventilated disc brakes for the front, and dual piston calipers, ventilated disc brakes here in the rear, and they are dotted. For the exterior features, it has headlamp washers, with LED daytime running lights, with LED headlamps with auto levelizer. On the side, power folding door mirrors with LED turn signal or LED repeaters. At the back, we have rear diffuser with quad tip exhaust with a F1 inspired fog lamp. The Subaru WRX STI is in idle, but wow, my heart is just pounding and my entire body is vibrating thanks to those quad tip exhaust pipes. And just look at this car. Wow. Comes with shark fin antenna, side steel spoilers like side skirts. When we talk about Subaru, it's all about safety and performance. And this car has a lot of safety features. It has active torque vectoring, brake assist, brake override, engine immobilizer, multi-mode vehicle dynamic control system. The most obvious safety features are safety pedal system, side door reinforcement beams, SRS front side curtain airbags, SRS knee airbag. So yeah, whenever I see knee airbags, yep. And you see these 3 dots here? These are where the beams are. So it is gonna protect you when there is collision. And the nice thing about boxer engine is that the engine will not enter the cabin, but instead the engine will go under so it will not penetrate the cabin itself, which means it's gonna protect the driver. The functionality and convenience features of this performance car: aluminum pedals, blind spot detection, hill start assist, multi-mode DCCD, driver control center differential, rain sensing wipers, smart entry and push start button, 60/40 split folding rear seats, audio system with 7.0 inch display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth compatible hands-free system, lane change assist, one touch signal, rear cross traffic alert, steering responsive headlights. Yes, the headlights are active. Auto dimming rear view mirror, dual zone automatic air conditioner, multi-function display with boost pressure meter. Yes, that just makes the driving experience better. It also has auto headlamps, high beam assist, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, power adjustment for driver's seat, SI drive with S Sharp mode, and USB and auxiliary audio input jack.
Mid-torque is medyo mahina yung niya, torque sa gitna. That's the thing about boxer engines.
It gives up.
It has a flat torque curve in the middle.
True.
Yeah. It doesn't really give you like linear acceleration from a rolling start.
Because this is not linear tronic.
This is manual tronic. Manual tronic transmission. And I wouldn't have it any other way. Yeah, brakes are not really confident. No wonder a lot of WRX STI owners change their brakes. The stock brakes are a bit hard. Brake feel is hard, and it doesn't really bite as much.
Yeah, that was Reagan from Reagan's Rides.
The power is too much for the stock brakes.
Hi guys, now we are gonna drive the WRX STI. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have my friend here, UP.
Hello.
And although his face is covered with mask, try to see if he will be excited of this nice WRX STI manual. But we're not gonna go brutal because we want to protect the car and not the car more than our body. So let's go. We're just going to press the gas when there are no more cars in front. More than me, who's driving, the friends I have, they are more excited than me to check out the car, to try to drive it, try to sit inside, like how much is it fast? Because this car is already sold out and there are no current available brand new units of this car. So what you can get right now are second-hand units with high mileage. This one has very low mileage, despite the fact that this is a demo unit. This one only has, I placed 100 kilometers, so it has 1,618 kilometers for its mileage. Oh, it's raining. Now, these are the best times that you get to really appreciate that you have an all-wheel drive system. Subaru has the symmetrical all-wheel drive system, and this is it. Yeah, even though the road is wet, you will still feel confident to do this, even though there's a big truck. Yeah, this is an amazing car. Even though it rains like this, just pull it. The acceleration from 0 to 60 is so instantaneous. And this car has stiffer suspension because this is a performance-oriented car. As you know, this one is really popular in the rally. The popular model from Subaru in rally was actually the Impreza, but when they came out with the WRX, wow, the entire world got stunned. And now I know why. And to be able to drive what Ramon Bautista was driving, yes, he drove the exact car that I'm driving. So big shout out to Ramon Bautista. And this is a JDM car. Now, if you are a fan of JDM, there is no way that you don't know about this car. And you should well know that everyone wants to get their hands on this, even the older one. But yeah, we have the Bug Eye, we have the Hawk Eye, and we have this one. But all the WRX series, yeah, they are fantastic. Oh, by the way, we have giveaway this coming, maybe next month. I'll be reaching 50,000 subscribers. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll be giving away the complete set of diecast for the entire generation of WRX. Yes, I think it's 6, but yeah, it's all in boxes, still in new condition. So I'll be posting the mechanics on how you can join and win the giveaway. So here's our favorite road where we can test the car. Here we go, guys. Even in the rain, very safe. Very safe. Woohoo! All-wheel drive. JDM. Woohoo! You feel confident even though it's raining like this. How are you, bro?
I'm still alive.
Yeah, and the brakes are Brembos, but I think it needs like 8 pistons because the car is really fast, really fast. So you need like the more pistons the better. When you look at this car from outside, this is a normal car. It's like they call it a sleeper car. People don't know how strong this is. Guys, you better get your hands on this car right now, because this is like one of the best options if you are like looking for a Type R but you think Type R is too loud. This is your next option. Fantastic. But you will enjoy every time you will push the car, especially when you bring the car to the tracks. You will love it. So there you have it, guys. Please check out this car in Subaru dealerships near you and contact me if you want to buy this one. Baka you can be in the next line. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This was Ju from SoJooCars, and thank you Motor Image for letting us learn more about this vehicle. I will see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. 안녕.